Good day, ma'am. This is Shandy Villeros, and today I will try to achieve the learning objectives of this practical lab. So our learning objectives is to design the logical lab topology, configure the physical lab topology, configure the logical LAN topology, and verify the LAN connectivity. So according to this figure, we should have at least 3 computers, 3 PCs for our host 1, host 2, and host 3. Then of course we will have our switch 1,
So
our switch 1 and router 1. So let's try to open
PC,
our
which is the host
packet
1,
tracer,
host 2, host 3, and 1 router and
file.
1 switch. So this is how to configure our PC, our host 1, host 2, and host 3.
Let's just wait for a while. So this is our new file. We will have at least 3 PCs, so we'll put here PC1, PC2, PC3, 1 switch, and 1 router. Let's just wait for a while because my packet tracer is loading. So to be organized, we will name our PC1 as our host 1. Okay. Host 1. Our PC2 as our host 2. PC3 as our host 3. Router as our router 1. Okay. And switch is our switch 1. Okay. So now we will and we will now configure our logical topology. So let's go to our host 1. Host 1. Host 1. IP configuration. We will set our IP address for host 1 as 168.32.3 168.32.3.233 168.32.3.233. Our subnet mask as 255.255.255.0. Our default gateway as 168.32.4.233 168.32.4.233 168. Let's try to check 168.32.3 233 255 255 255 168.32.4.233. Okay. So let's now go to our host 2. We're done configuring our host 1, and let's go to our host 2. IP configuration. Let's set our IP address for host 2 as 168.32.0.1168.168.32.0.1. Our default gate subnet mask as 255.255.252.0 255.255.252.0. Default gateway as 168.32.3.230 168.32.3 168.32.3.252.32.0.1. Okay, then our next, try to configure also our host 3. IP configuration. Let's set our IP address for host 3 as 168.32.0.2 255.255.252.0 our default gateway as 168.32.3.230 okay. 2.0. Okay, so we're done configuring our host 1, host 2, and host 3. And we will now go to our step 3, configure our router 1. So to enable to configure our router 1, we'll go to the router 1. So to enable our privilege exec mode, we'll type enable. Okay, and to enter the global config mode, we will type config t. Okay, and set our router name as CCNA1. We will type host name CCNA1 to set privilege exec password as Cisco. We will type enable password Cisco, enable password Cisco, okay. And then to set console access password as class, we will type line con 0 enable password Cisco line con 0 password class login Okay, so to set our Telnet access password as class, we will type line VTY 04 password class, and then exit. Okay. Enable. So we will now enable our SSH. And to enable our SSH, we will type IP domain name someone.com. IP domain name. Okay. IP domain name someone.com. IP domain name someone.com. And then username, we set our username as Shandy. Password, username as Shandy. Password Shandy123. Username Shandy. Password Shandy123. Crypto K09 RSA. Crypto key generate RSA. How many bits in the module? So we'll set it as 1024. Okay. IP SSH version 2. IP SSH version 2. Configure Telnet VTY. So to configure Telnet VTY to use SSH, we will type line VTY 04, line VTY 04, transport input input SSH. Transport input SSH, and then login local. Exit, and then exit, then exit SSH IP SSH. Okay. So we're now on configured MOTD banner. Okay, configure the MOTD banner. We will type banner banner MOTD, banner MOTD, and then welcome to Cisco, welcome to Cisco Exploration. You are accessing CCNA1 router. Banner MOTD. Welcome to Cisco Exploration. You're accessing this. Okay, and then we will now, so to configure our router 1 interface Gigabit Ethernet 00, we will connect first our host 1 to router 1 and our other host to switch, and switch 1 to router 1. So okay, so we will connect our host 1 to router 1. Okay, then our host 2 to switch 1. Okay, same. Loading. Okay, then we will use a straight through cable for connecting switch 1 to router 1. Use this straight through cable. Okay, and now we will go to our router 1. Here we will not go to our router 1, then we will do this configure router 1 interface gigabit set description, set the layer 3 address, and issue no shutdown. So we will do that. So we will, okay, we'll type here, and we will type here int IP add 160.32.4 233 IP add 160.32.4.233. Okay. Then our subnet mask 255.255.255. Okay. What happened? Int 00 int Ethernet 00 IP add IP 160.32.4 233 okay. So sorry, we lock 255.0, so IP add 160.32.4.233 is 255.255.255.
0 IP add 160.32.4 .3255.255 that's 0. Okay. Hi, thank you Lord, my goodness. Then we will issue it as no shutdown. Shutdown. Okay. Okay. Okay, so okay. Oh, sorry. We will now so configure our. So we are done here. Configure router 1 interface gigabit Ethernet 00, and we are now to configure our router 1 interface gigabit Ethernet 01. So the same, set the description, set the layer 3 address, issue no shutdown. So we'll do the same as our gigabit Ethernet 01. We will we'll type int G01, then IP add 160.32.3.230, IP add 160.32.3.230 equals 255.255.252. Okay. 252.252.0. No shutdown. Okay. So change state to up. Okay. So we're done with the we're done with step 3, configuring our router 1. We already done all the tasks here, starting from enable privilege exec mode until configuring the router 1 interface gigabit Ethernet 01. And we will now perform our task 4, which is to verify network connectivity. So to do this, we will go to our host 2. Go to our host 2. So it's reload. Host 2 and desktop. Command prompt. Okay, command prompt, and then we'll type SSH. SSH Shandi 116.32.4. 233. SSH -1 Shandi 160.32.4 230. Oh, it's invalid command. Shandi 160.32. Dot 4 33. Invalid command. Why is it invalid command? Attach Shandi 160.
tawagan nyo kay hindi mo sa manawag sa ako, hindi makabot sila, kung tawag yung balikan.
32, wait. 160, that 32, that 32, 30. 160, 32, that 32, 30. 32, that 32, 30. 32, that 32, 30. 32, that 32. Okay. 32, that 4, 32, that 32, that 4. 32, that 4, that 33. 32, that 4, 33. Ah. Okay. This is H. 1. Loading siya.
Hello ma'am, good afternoon ma'am.
Shandy 60. The 32. That 4. That 233. Okay. So we will display configuration information for interface fast Ethernet 00, show interface gigabit Ethernet 00. Go to router 1.
Pwede na lang ma'am. Yes o ma'am. Dili ma'am, ang trustee sa bayar ma'am, kaya may mo sa bangko, bangko mo bayar na, lambak mo bayar.
Wait for a while kasi it's loading this. Show interface. So this is the end of my video. Thank you, ma'am.